Hi guys, today this is my new YouTube video, which is called unboxing my presents from my titas and ninongs. Okay, let's start. Okay, first present is from Tito Jem Jem. Shout out to Tito Jem Jem, guys. Also make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. This is a mystery box. Might be also another bag. Okay, I got another bag. I got two of these bags. I got also another white one. Shout out to Tito Jem Jem, guys. Make sure to subscribe to his cooking channel if he has one or he makes one. Next box from the item list is Tita B. Shout out to Tita B, guys. W's in the chat, guys. Okay. Next is Tita B from Beauty, which is like it. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. This is also a mystery bag. I also got another mystery bag. I already have 4 of these bags now. 4 bags. I wanna use all of them. Look at this. This is a bag, which is very cool because this is a bag. It is type of a small bag. W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. Okay, that's all for today's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And smash that comment section down below the link. I think, yes. Now, like and subscribe, guys. See you next video.